Hello again folks, it's day 21, so we're going to revisit these lovely fun 3D printed hinge cuffs from Cox's Picks, and we're going to pop the double locks on, and we're going to, the fact this got this massive keyway, we're going to try and exploit that today with something random, being this paperclip. So let's get that on. There we go. Both double locks are on. That's one, that's two. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop this out here, and because it's quite difficult to reach around there, we are going to pop it back in to the clip, like so, and hopefully that gives us a bit more range. So we need to go in and get the double lock off. He says, there we go. So see if I'm in shot. It's all in. There we go. I think that's a double lock off. No, it isn't. That's for double lock off. And then go in again. There we go. So again, push the double lock down, and then try and get in there and get the pull. There we go. That's the 3D printed hinged handcuffs, double lock, picked with a paperclip, bulldog clip. Stay tuned, see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, bye for now.
We are shacklemen. We are not sporters. We shin. We pick handcuffs. Expect challenges.